All right, guys. So let's go ahead and analyze another winning trade for 150 pips of profit. The trade actually only took us 2.5 days to reach that take profit of 150 pips. Now let's analyze the trade to go over what I saw. Now, if you look at the Euro NZD on the weekly chart, you will see that price hit this level of resistance 2018, came down, bounced off this support, went up again for a pullback, bounced off the support again, went up, came down again, pushed past this level of resistance here, right? Small level of resistance, came down, retested the resistance level. Look right here, retested it again. I thought it was going to take another bounce to the upside based on how on the pattern of the price and how the momentum oscillators were still pulling up upward to the upside. Okay, so if I go down to the daily chart, you'll see what I saw when I took the trade. Here it is. Again, price is going to the upside, came down, retested the level of support. It overshot the level just a little bit. We also know that support and resistance is never a straight line. It's always an area, right? Always an area. So price overshot the support, but this still is a strong support area. So at this level, I saw price getting weak to the downside. We received a blue momentum candle, right? In conjunction, if you look at the TDI oscillator, you also see where price came up, retested the 50 level on the oscillator, and reversed to go back up to the upside. That is what we were looking at. So I was confident to take a long position about right here with a stop loss here, 136, 140. And the take profit was, we went in a buy position, so the take profit was 1-to-1 for around 150 pips. 150 pips was the actual take profit. 150.4 pips was the actual take profit. So here's what I did. So I went in, put in my stop loss right there. Why does the stop loss go here? Stop loss goes to the swing low. Because we're going to go in a buy position, we're going to the swing low to add the stop loss, okay? My potential entry would have been right here. Remember, I got the signal on this day, which was Tuesday of last week. So my potential entry would have been a little bit above the close of this signal. And then whatever the risk to reward was would have been my stop loss. I'm going to go ahead and plot these coordinates in exactly what they were based on the levels right here. Because this was the entry, stop loss, and take profit of the actual trade. But for now, I just want to show you guys how I go ahead and put in the potential entry, stop loss, and take profit. So swing low, entry, and then this is whatever the 1-to-1 is from here, right? Unless, after the trade, I move it up a little bit, thinking that I may can get additional pips out of the position. So 4 hour, everyone knows what I do on the 4 hour. I go ahead, here's the swing low. So I'll make this stop loss here as tight as possible. Entry stays the same. And again, first take profit is always a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Alrighty, let's go over to the 1 hour chart. At this point, I'm going to plot in the actual trade for you so everyone can see it. Alrighty, so let me go ahead. Here's that line. Here's my stop loss. So it was 1.71907. 1.71907. There it is. Should be right there. Here's the entry. 1.73143. And then the take profit ended up being 1.74647. There it is. So here is your stop loss. Here is your entry. Here's your take profit. So today is Sunday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So the entry of this trade would have been somewhere around here. Tuesday is where we got the signal. So the entry would have been around here in this area, right here. 1.5, 2.5 days straight to the take profit. Stop loss actually ended up being 123 pips. Take profit was exactly 150. There it is, 0.4 pips. Boom. Another winning trade. Now, what I'm going to do, since I'm using MT4, I'm going to drag the actual trade onto the chart. Let me get rid of all of these lines. Get these lines out of your way. I want you to be able to see the actual trade. Here it is. I'm going to drag it on. Yep, there it is right there. So this red line right here is stop loss. This line right here, that's where your entry is. Here's where your take profit is right there. Stop loss, entry, take profit. Another winning trade, guys. 150 pips following the new level trading strategy. Have a good day.